Every pipeline that crosses mountains, navigates valleys, or connects nations relies on one critical process: precision pipe bending. Introducing India's first indigenous 36 to 48-inch pipe bending machine. Designed, engineered, manufactured in India. As global demand for energy grew, pipelines became the backbone of transportation for oil and gas across vast distances. But pipelines are rarely straight. They encounter changing terrain, natural obstacles, and complex project conditions. Every bend must be precise, because even the smallest deviation can impact alignment efficiency and long-term reliability. For more than 15 years, Ajashy Engineering Sales has been serving the global pipeline industry, supplying pipeline accessories, providing refurbished equipment, and delivering solutions to customers in more than 30-plus countries worldwide. Years of industry experience created a deeper understanding of what modern pipeline projects demand. That experience led to a new milestone: the development of India's first indigenous 36 to 48-inch pipe bending machine. Built to meet the demanding requirements of modern cross-country pipeline construction. Engineered for precision, designed for reliability, manufactured with a commitment to performance and consistency. A solution developed to support the evolving needs of the pipeline industry. What was once a technology segment dominated by global manufacturers now carries an Indian signature.
Ajashy Engineering Sales, bending possibilities, shaping the future of pipelines.